We are all products of our genes. They shape who we are, from physical traits to behavior. One gene, in particular, plays a big role in shaping what it means to be male. This gene is called the androgen receptor gene, or AR gene for short. The AR gene creates a protein called the androgen receptor. Androgen receptors are like doorways within our cells. They wait for specific hormones to attach to them, like a key fitting into a lock. One of the most important hormones that interacts with the AR gene is testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for male characteristics like deep voices, facial hair, and muscle mass. The AR gene ensures that testosterone's messages are received and acted upon by our cells. Understanding the AR gene is vital to understanding male biology and behavior. It's a key player in shaping our physical development and influencing our personalities. Scientists have long been fascinated by the link between genes and behavior. One area of particular interest is the role of genes in aggression. The AR gene has emerged as a prime candidate in this exploration. A groundbreaking study by Mago et al. In 2005 linked the AR gene to aggression. This study focused on twins, who share varying degrees of genetic material. Identical twins were more similar in their levels of aggression compared to fraternal twins. This suggests a strong genetic component to aggression. Variations in the AR gene were linked to differences in aggressive behavior. These findings provided crucial evidence that the AR gene isn't just involved in physical development. It also plays a role in shaping complex behaviors like aggression. The AR gene's impact is intricately linked to hormones, particularly testosterone. Testosterone travels through the bloodstream, carrying signals to different cells. The AR gene acts like a volume knob for testosterone's message. It determines how sensitive our cells are to this powerful hormone. Some variations of the AR gene make cells more sensitive to testosterone. This means that even small amounts of testosterone can trigger a strong response. Other variations make cells less sensitive, requiring higher levels of testosterone to elicit the same effect. Imagine two individuals, one with a highly sensitive AR gene and the other with a less sensitive version. When exposed to the same levels of testosterone, their bodies would react differently. This variation in sensitivity helps explain why individuals respond differently to testosterone. It's not just about the amount of testosterone circulating in the bloodstream. What matters more is how effectively the body's cells can receive and respond to the hormone signals. The influence of the AR gene extends far beyond aggression. It touches upon a spectrum of personality traits. Some variations of the AR gene are linked to higher aggression, others to traits like leadership and risk-taking. Individuals with certain AR gene variations tend to be more assertive and dominant. They might naturally gravitate towards leadership roles, demonstrating confidence and a take-charge attitude. On the other hand, some variations of the AR gene are associated with increased impulsivity. This can manifest as a tendency to act without thinking, seeking immediate gratification. While this impulsivity can be detrimental in some situations, it can also be advantageous in others. It's important to remember that the IR gene doesn't dictate our destiny. Our genes provide a framework, but our environment, experiences, and personal choices also play a significant role in shaping who we are. The AR gene's influence extends into the realm of financial decisions. Researchers have discovered connections between variations in the AR gene and our risk tolerance, investment strategies, and financial behavior. Individuals with certain AR gene variations are more likely to engage in risky financial behaviors. They might be drawn to volatile investments, seeking high rewards despite potential losses. This connection could be linked to the gene's influence on impulsivity and reward-seeking behavior. Individuals with certain AR gene variations might be more sensitive to the dopamine rush associated with potential gains. This could lead them to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term financial planning. Understanding one's genetic predispositions can be empowering. It allows individuals to make more informed financial decisions, potentially mitigating risks and aligning choices with their personal goals. It's tempting to view the AR gene in simplistic terms. One variation equals aggression, another equals leadership. However, the reality is far more nuanced. The AR gene interacts with other genes, environmental factors, and personal experiences to shape who we are. While certain AR gene variations might increase the likelihood of aggression, this doesn't mean that everyone with those variations will be aggressive. A nurturing upbringing and positive social interactions can mitigate those genetic predispositions. Conversely, individuals with AR gene variations associated with lower aggression might still exhibit aggressive behavior in certain circumstances. The AR gene exists on a spectrum with a wide range of variations influencing behavior. Each variation has its own subtle influence on behavior. The discovery of the AR gene has opened up exciting possibilities for personalized medicine and behavioral interventions. As our understanding of the gene deepens, we can develop more targeted and effective treatments for a range of conditions. Imagine a future where genetic testing identifies individuals with AR gene variations that increase their risk for aggression or impulsive behaviors. This knowledge could be used to develop personalized interventions, such as therapy, counseling, or medication. In finance, understanding an individual's AR gene profile could help tailor advice and investment strategies to match their risk tolerance. The AR gene is not a crystal ball predicting our future. It's a powerful tool that, when used responsibly and ethically, has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, finance, and our understanding of human behavior.